right, my friends, this week we're going to draw a turkey. So, if you want, we are going to start by drawing a nice big circle for its body. We're going to use a pencil today because we need to do some erasing. We're going to draw a nice big circle over here. We want its tail feathers over here and the head up here. So we're going to draw that body right over here. So remember, just start by hovering an oval and then put your pencil down and draw away. We get shaped that way. Now we're going to put in a little neck. I'm going to give it a little bit of a curve and I'm going to give it a head. But I'm not going to put the top on because I'm giving my turkey a hat. Let's go ahead and add that. So we want the hat to look round. So we want to have that curve. And then we're going to just bring it around the head a little bit. So it looks like his head is going into that hat. Right now it just looks like it's going into a hole in the paper, which is kind of cool, but not what we want it to do. We're going to bring in our hat a little bit on the sides, 2 angled lines. And then we're going to come up. And then the same curve that we used here, we're going to put at the top. We're also going to put that same curve here and here to put a little band in our hat. Now it's time to add our beak. We're going to go ahead, come here and draw a backwards C. And then we're going to draw a hook shape and then another little hook shape. And erase that line on the inside. You can see where we're going with this, right? Now we need to add its eyeballs. So I'm going to put one eyeball over here, one eyeball over here, and then we're going to put that little thing that hangs over his nose right there and erase any lines that it crosses over. I'm going to put the bottom on my beak too. Alright, now we need to add our tail feathers. So we are going to draw lines that poke out from the back here. And I'm going to draw like 6 or 7 lines. So I'm going to have them come up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That looks pretty good. Alright, and so notice how they poke out. This is called radiating lines, and it's just like the ones we see on the sun. Now we're going to go ahead and join them with a bump. 2, 3, 4, and 5. If your lines are long like mine, that's okay. We will just erase them. Clean them up a little. Now we need to add a wing and some feet. So I'm going to add like a sideways teardrop shape. I'm going to come up. I'm going to make it round on this side but pointy on this side. And then we're going to add a couple of feet. So we'll draw 2 lines down and 2 lines down this way. There's our legs. And then we're going to add our feet. So they have 1, 2, 3 going forward and 1 going backwards. 1, 2, 3 coming forward and 1 going backwards. All right. Now our turkey's kind of floating right now. I'm going to add 1 more feather to the back. That looks better. Our turkey's kind of floating right now, so let's put it on the ground. We're going to give it a horizon line where the ground meets the sky to make it look like he's walking. And if you want, you could put something else back here. We could put like some little bushes. Make those come behind. Now to make our tail feathers a little bit more interesting, we're going to go in and add that same curve halfway through our feather. And we're going to do it again. Nice skinny little band in the middle. All right. Now we are ready to add some color. my friends. Enjoy your turkeys.